Well, in Wednesday's financial reports, Nigeria and South Africa are reporting strong economic growth for the second quarter of 2017. Joining us now from New York with more details is Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino. Hello, Jill.
Hi, good afternoon. So South Africa has climbed out of recession bolstered by strong performance in the agricultural sector, and the recovery is expected to continue at a modest pace in the second half of the year.
And what does the data indicate for Nigeria?
Well, according to NKC Research, a South African research firm specializing in African economics, oil output was always going to play a significant role in driving Nigeria's growth dynamics this year, and oil's contribution to GDP growth will become more pronounced in the second half. The poor performance of manufacturing and services sectors is concerning, but improved forex supply should support a gradual rebound in manufacturing activity moving forward. The fact that it now also seems more likely that the central bank will be able to maintain its forex market interventions for the duration of the year bodes well for manufacturing and the economy in general. Consumer demand may also start to rebound slightly towards the end of the year in line with lower inflation, which should ultimately translate into stronger services sector output. Increased fiscal spending following the delayed passing of the budget this year presents yet more upside potential.
So now the recession might be over on paper, but does this really reflect what's happening on the ground in South Africa?
On paper, this could be considered a star performance, with the economy exiting the mild two-quarter recession driven by positive momentum in three major sectors. However, if compared on a seasonally adjusted annualized basis, real economic output in the quarter has really only grown about 0.5% compared to the second quarter of 2016. At this economic rate, the unemployment rate, which is now at nearly 28%, a multi-year high, it's likely to trend even higher, which could make economic life in South Africa more challenging. So while the recession might technically be over, the environment will unfortunately not change meaningfully for the better until confidence is restored among South African households, corporations, and investors. Developments on the political front will also have a lot to do with that.
Well, Jill, thank you very much. Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino reporting to us live from New York. Now,